Hi, I'm Jeff Beals. I'm a local teacher and a former United States diplomat running for Congress here in the 19th Congressional District. And I wanted to speak out today from on Broadway in Kingston about something that I hope we can accomplish for working people when we get to Washington. Now, usually when a political figure stands in front of a local business, he's standing there to announce its opening or demands its expansion. But I'm out here in front of a local business that I hope we'll see shut down, thrifty check cashing. I want to join with Senator Bernie Sanders and Kirsten Gillibrand in calling for a public option in banking in the United States. Why? About a quarter of Americans are underserved by their financial institutions these days. That means they are spending exorbitant sums just to get their checks cashed or on terrible interest rates for payday loans. These Americans right now are spending an average of $2,400 a year just to get access to their own money. That's almost over $200 a month. It reminds you of the saying, it's very expensive to be poor. Well, people wonder how this can be. After all, we have big banks. Why aren't they going to those? But the big banks are big the way a tumor is big, not the way something good is big. They are actually shutting down banking services in underserved communities, in lower income neighborhoods, charging higher overdraft fees and setting minimum balances that make it impossible for working people to get bank accounts and get these services. There's plenty we can do about this. In the UK, in Japan, in Israel, where I served as a diplomat, people bank through their post office. We can do it here. We did it from 1911 to 1967 in United States banks. How come we haven't gotten this done at Congress? Payday lenders have an enormous lobbying footprint, and they shovel money into Congress and into the pockets of people like John Faso to prevent this change from being made. Well, it's going to be made now, and we're going to stand up for working people when we win this primary on June 26th and make our government serve the interests of working Americans again. Thank you.